Yo, Grant here with TrunkMate, and this is the BlitzBed Single 20-inch car camper. The BlitzBed levels out your cargo area so that you can sleep comfortably inside your vehicle. And when you're not sleeping, the whole thing collapses down into the size of a suitcase. It weighs just 20 pounds and sets up without the need for any customizations. Just toss it in the trunk and forget about it, so you're always ready for those spontaneous getaways. The single 20-inch BlitzBed is 20 inches wide, which is the same size as most backpacking sleeping pads. So you can compare this to sleeping in a tent. This size BlitzBed fits practically any hatchback with folding back seats, from the compact Toyota Prius to the spacious minivans and anywhere in between. Now, if you're a side sleeper or have difficulty sleeping on one of these inflatable mattresses, you may consider sizing up to the single 24-inch BlitzBed. Or you can connect this bed with another single bed to make a double wide bed if your vehicle has enough space. And you can click here to see a video on the BlitzBed double 20-inch kit, or click here to go to our fit guide so that you can see which sizes might fit your vehicle. The BlitzBed is 6 feet long, but its length can be adjusted for your vehicle. If you don't need the full 6 feet of length, just fold over this bedboard and lay your mattress on top. If you need more than 6 feet, just extend the bed frame out further. On our website, we do have a mattress selection guide that lists some of our favorite car camping mattresses. Now, this bed is supported with the included hook and bar support, which rests on the folded second row seat back. This is our most basic way of supporting your TrunkMate bed, and we do have additional bed support products on our website. The single 20-inch BlitzBed only fills up half of your car, which makes it super simple to get into and out of bed right here from this seat. You can change and get ready for bed right here, and then just hop on over into bed from the seated position. Now down here you can see how this bed maximizes the available space that I have while in bed by hugging the top of this folded seat back. So this is really not a huge bed, but that's kind of the point. I really love this size option for stealth camping in urban environments where it's really important to be able to drive away quickly from a bad situation without getting out of the car. It's also great for those times that you know you're going to be arriving to your campsite after dark. You can set up your BlitzBed in the back while it's still light outside, and then drive to your campsite so that when you arrive in the dark, you don't have to disturb sleeping campers by the opening and closing of the doors. And then when you wake up in the morning, you can just hop on over to this seat here. You know, maybe you make your coffee, you do your morning routine, and you put away your bed, all from the safety and privacy of your car. Now, this mattress I just used packs down and fits perfectly underneath the bed. And you can also store valuables down here because they're hidden out of sight. The BlitzBed can be raised or lowered with these adjustable legs, so you can choose to fit more gear underneath or keep it slim to have more headroom in bed. And that is the BlitzBed Single 20-inch car camper. They're available right now on our website. We ship them fully assembled all over the US, and you can find a link to our website in the description. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll see you next time. Peace.